Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you all how to make an amazing flower with scale and two colors of wool. Wrap the first color of wool on the scale for 15 times, then tie it to secure. Wrap the second color of wool 15 times and the left of the first one, put it on the scale. Then move to the right and wrap around 15 times also. Attach needle at the section of the wool and use that to secure both sides. Pull the wooden design out from the scale and attach the pins. Make the two pieces 5 and join them together to make an amazing woolen flower. Attach a medium-sized bead at the center of the flower to make it even more beautiful. I believe you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, and I will see you all in my next one.